The electric vehicle EV market is heating up, and Tesla is at the forefront of the action. But here's where it gets intriguing. Tesla's Model Y L, the extended wheelbase version, is now sold out for October and November, with deliveries estimated for December 2025. Tesla's Model Y L, sold out and in demand. Tesla's Model Y L is making waves in China, where it's gaining popularity among EV enthusiasts. This 6-seat, all-electric crossover SUV offers ample space and flexibility, making it an ideal family car. Despite a slow start with insurance registrations, the Model Y L is now in high demand, with its registrations picking up significantly. This surge in interest has even contributed to Tesla China's wholesale numbers in September, and the trend is expected to continue. A competitive edge in the Chinese market. The Model Y L's success in China is noteworthy, especially considering its price tag of RMB $339,000, $47,180. This crossover SUV combines performance, practicality, and value, making it a compelling choice for Chinese consumers. And with its strong local momentum, Tesla China is poised to sell every Model Y L it produces in the fourth quarter, boosting the company's Q4 2025 numbers. A global appeal? While the Model Y L is currently exclusive to China, its features and size could make it a hit in other markets where larger family EVs are sought after. And with Tesla's reputation for innovation, it's no surprise that the Model Y L is turning heads. But here's where it gets controversial. As Tesla's rivals like Xpeng are also making waves with their own EV innovations, the competition is heating up. Xpeng's flying car concept, with its impressive range and speed, showcases the company's ambition to push the boundaries of EV technology. Tesla's production ramp up in Texas. Meanwhile, Tesla is ramping up production of its new Model Y Standard at Giga Texas, just a week after its announcement. These affordable models, priced under $40,000, are Tesla's response to the loss of the $7,500 EV tax credit. Despite skepticism, Tesla is moving forward with its growth plans, while rivals like General Motors and Ford are scaling back their EV efforts. And with the Cybercab in the works, Tesla's future looks bright. A potential challenge in Norway. However, Tesla might face a challenge in one of its strongest markets, Norway. The Norwegian government plans to phase out EV subsidies over the next 2 years, which could impact Tesla's sales. With over 98% of new cars sold in September being electric, Norway has been a leader in EV adoption. But as the government believes its goal of promoting sustainability has been achieved, it's time to reconsider the benefits. This move could potentially affect Tesla's sales, as the Model Y's trim levels will no longer be tax-exempt. The future of EVs, a controversial topic. The EV landscape is evolving, and Tesla's position as a market leader is being challenged. As governments reconsider subsidies and benefits, the future of EV adoption becomes a controversial topic. Will the loss of subsidies hinder progress, or will the market adapt and thrive? What do you think? Is Tesla's strategy of pushing forward with new models and innovations the right move? Share your thoughts, and let's spark a discussion on the future of EVs and the role of industry leaders like Tesla.